baby, my run, baby, too. Son, what? Young. What, baby? She gon' run it, baby. Fuck, time, fast, super sunshine, get it. Got it, get it. Got it, fast, super sunshine, bite it, eat it.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I got my partner Andrew back in the car, and I ain't tell him that it don't have power steering. Ooh, boy. Hey, stop. All right. That should be good. Heat rate don't work.
Yeah, it's like hard to see through this
Standalone boys. Ooh, man. So we gonna measure.
I'm gonna measure. Alright. Got a picture of it? I'm gonna eyeball measure it, and then we'll drill a hole.
See me? I want mine as far back as possible.
Far back as possible?
Yeah, that's how I want it.
This is how we're gonna do it. Straight so far.
But yeah, man, this is what we doing today. I've been wanting to put this Type X wing on for the longest. So I was just like, let me just bring it by and see what we can do. Look at that thing though. Ooh. That junk looks so good. All I needed the tail lights. Let me see.
Andrew, we need your Chinese eye over here. Come look at this. Is it straight? Okay. I go loop.
Yeah, it looks good. It's perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. we're gonna trace around it. Trace around it best we can. And then we're gonna make a template off the bottom of the wing. Mark where the hole's at, and then we lay the template right onto this. And that should give our exact measurement where we need to drill the holes.
So what we did, we put tissue in the holes, and then we put some silicone on top of it. So then when we line it up perfect and placed it down, that's how we got our marks. And so we're gonna drill into the trunk and see what we get. Let's go out here and see what this guy doing. What you out here doing?
Kind of stupid headlights on. Like my new head. My quick shot.
Ooh. Oh, it shoot up by itself?
Yeah, fuck Josh. Grown ass good shot.
Damn.
It's like the little thing.
It's like the little thing that count, huh? You put the trans in already?
Nah, it's still in the trunk. Romero bringing me the bucket seat. I have to get the bracket. Man, the brackets are like $300.
300, dang. Seat brackets?
Because I can't find like the one piece. So I have to get like the solid mount and then the piece that goes up to hold the seat in.
So you trying to get side mount?
Yeah, that's what that bucket seat is. Side mount.
You looked up street fashion?
I looked at everything for this. And I can't find
NRG?
NRG too.
All of them 300?
No, all of them, I can't find it.
Oh.
Like I think in GQ, they only had like the side. I think Lopez looked at it for me. He said, yeah, I can't find anything for it.
Man, you don't need that bucket to drift.
Man, it's leather seats, man. What you talking about?
You'll be alright. This don't messed up?
Nah, it's okay.
So we got to get this car ready for Catch My Drift June 12th. I'm going to be drifting, not that 240, but my other 240. I'm going to be drifting the KA. I spent too much money on that. I'm not drifting that. My boy Nine going to be drifting the red 350Z in there. He in there working on. Look at him, making love to it. This is my boy Andrew IS300 right here. Yes, sir.
Man, hell of a lot, bro.
That's a real bride seat.
Yeah, real bright seat in China.
That shit crazy light though. Look at that.
Let go of 2 fingers.
That's crazy. I got some seat breakers at the house, but it's for a Corvette.
Where you going? Oh, okay. I'm gonna say, motherfucker.
That's a manual?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Look how little this transmission is. That's crazy. That's a small transmission. That's the whole thing. That's insane.
Inside, it's I made a homemade intake that it's dirty because of all the pollen, but this intake runs better than a cold air intake because all the resistors and stuff, like the little emission stuff.
Yeah.
I plugged one of them up with this. I put that pipe in out of a SR20. It's an intercooler pipe, and I had to beat the crap out of it to match with this.
That's crazy.
And then this airbox got modified. Then I put a K&N filter. Then I drilled some holes in this to get more airflow.
That's
but
crazy.
this is more responsive than my little brother's 300, because he has a 3RZ in a 4-wheel drive. But his K&N, this is more efficient.
So what lead it like? This is 2 point what?
2.4.
2x4.
But they
I think
sell
they're
a
pretty
total kit
clean
for
though.
this.
They're pretty clean though.
Yeah.
No leaks.
Oh no, she does.
Intake shiny and all that. I see you, man.
Most of the time, this is extremely shiny, but like pollen. I mean,
Oh,
you can
yeah.
ask Andrew. Andrew, how clean does my engine bay normally look in this truck?
Yeah, like
Like, if you can see, it's just like
Yeah.
pollen, but
What year is this truck?
2004.
4?
Hmm?
Damn, I would have said a 90 something.
2004.
So it's time to get back to the hatch. But that's like the worst part. Drilling in your shit. Oh my god, bro. And I said I want to put over fenders on. Always got to modify something. It don't never go as planned. Remember that.
Huh?
Look at them.
God damn.
You see that? That's the metal part.
Yeah.
That's it.
Show y'all what it looked like. Oh, like 5 hours later. So, as you know, stuff don't never fit like how you want it. You always got to modify something. So, when I say everything, you got to modify something. Everything. So yeah, it still ain't sitting flush, but that's just how it's made. So. But still look good on it. Yeah, I'm finna close this video out, but been here a little too long. Look at that. Ooh-wee. But yeah, it's like 5 hours later. That shit still don't fit how I want it to fit, but you know, everything ain't gonna fit like how you want it to fit out the box. So with everything, you gotta modify something. And shoot, I'm finna head to the crib. I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe.